Building an AND gate using a 74HC00 chip is a classic logic puzzle. The 74HC00 contains 4 NAND gates, but with a little bit of Boolean logic, you can easily transform them into an AND gate. The logic: to turn a NAND gate into an AND gate, you simply need to invert the output. In logic terms, since you have 4 gates on the chip, you use one to do the NANDing, and a second one, configured as an inverter, to flip the result. Components needed: 74HC00 Quad 2 input NAND gate IC, breadboard and jumper wires, power supply 2 volts to 6 volts, 5 volts is standard, input switches 2 push buttons or DIP switches, output indicator 1 LED and a 220 ohms to 1 kilo ohm resistor, pull down resistors, 2 10 kilo ohms resistors to ensure inputs aren't floating. Step-by-step wiring: 1. Power the IC. Connect pin 14 V_CC to the positive rail, plus 5 volts. Connect pin 7 GND to the negative rail, GND. 2. Create the first stage, NAND. Connect your 2 input signals, A and B, to pin 1 and pin 2. Pin 3 is the output of this first NAND gate. It will be high, unless both inputs are high. 3. Create the inverter, NOT. To turn a NAND gate into a NOT gate, you tie its 2 inputs together. Bridge pin 4 and pin 5 together using a small jumper wire. Connect the output of the first gate, pin 3, to this bridge, pins 4 and 5. 4. The final output. Pin 6 is now your final AND output. Connect pin 6 to the anode, long leg, of your LED. Connect the cathode, short leg, of the LED through a resistor to GND. Truth table reference: if wired correctly, your LED should only turn on when both inputs are connected to the positive rail. Quick pro tip: don't forget those pull-down resistors on your input pins. CMOS chips like the 74HC series are very sensitive. If the input pins aren't connected to anything floating, they might pick up static electricity and cause the LED to flicker randomly.